Emva kwezinsuku ezingevile kwezisikhombisa ungangezwe lakhe ngonyama yesizwe samaZulu umisuzulukwazi welithini emukelwe ngokusemthethweni umongameli wezwe waseNingizimu Afrika njengenkosi yesizwe samaZulu ube yingxenye yenqophamlando yokuhlatshwa kweso iMayini eCalcium Carbide ezovulwa eNewcastle khona kulesi sifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal. Lo mcimbi obubanjelwe epulazini elaziwa ngeGardinia Farm nokuyilapho le project izokwenzelwa khona ubuzinyaswe nangamakhosi akumasipala wasemajuba, abaphathi bezenkolo, amalungu omphakathi kanti nemeyo masipala waseNewcastle uKhansela uXolani Dube ube ngabanye obancome kakhulu ukuvula kwale mayini. Le mayini okuthiwa ke izovula amathuba emisebenzi angaphezulu kwenkulungwane iyithemba kumphakathi waseNewcastle ontulayo. Ethula inkulumo yakhe umeya uKhansela uDube uthe iNewcastle ngelinye lamadolobha anenani eliphezulu labantu abangasebenzi.
As in Newcastle, we are one of the few towns that are having the high rate of unemployed graduates and also unemployment on its own. Today we are very humbled that we are experiencing or we are witnessing what will change the lives of our people. Imndeni eminingi izokwazi ukulala idlile mageba.
Kanti umnomzana uSiphiwe Msibi ongokudabuka khona eNewcastle nongumsunguli wenkampani ezokwengamela le project iNewcastle Calcium Carbide and Alloys uthe uyaziqhenya ukwenzela eNewcastle namhlanje.
Currently in South Africa we importing the product of calcium carbide. We are importing. The project is going to have a policy impact when it comes to our economy. In Newcastle, I'm proud namhlanje ukuthi izophakama ngami. The support ebayede. Proud ukuthi iminyango izovuleka ngokwemarket iAfrica yonke.
Okamdlokombane yena ugcizelela ukubaleka ukusebenzisa umhlaba ngendlela eyiyo ngoba umhlaba uyisibusiso.
When you are blessed with land, you have to use it. It's no use for us to brag and say, oh, but look at how much land we have. But if that land is not benefiting us in any way, then it is as good as useless. Now today, with this magnitude project, I know the executives of this mine also have strategic partners who are into agriculture. I don't think it will just end here. It will go even further. With my support, influence, and strategy, I'm here to assist 100%.
Ngingubhekana uMsuthu wakaZungu ezindabeni zeTV Royal House Media ngibika ngiseNewcastle.